Hey there, this is Brian. In this training video, we're going to show you the new and simplified way to do asset data capture for the monthly PMs that come out that haven't had asset data capture done yet. Now that we've gotten a little bit of time under our belt with this process, we've gotten the chance to pick up the best tips and tricks from our subject matter expert engineers and tradespeople. And this video is going to show you the simplest process. In other words, you don't have to be a pro user in Smartsheet or Box. You just need to know how to open your email and how to get it done. Okay, I just heard the stereotypical ding of the email coming in, and here is the Smartsheet request. So you'll see this at the beginning of each month in your email box. It's going to be from Smartsheet. Go ahead and click on it. It's going to look like this. Pro tip, your first inclination is to go click on the checkboxes and go to work. Unfortunately, it's just a screenshot. Instead, click on the blue box on the top left that says Open Update Form. Clicking on that is going to open this totally simple smart form that speaks to Smartsheet. Down at the bottom, you're going to see a page selector icon. That's because you have more than one PM assigned each month. Of course, you're only updating one at a time. So take a look at the task name in the center. That's going to show you which asset ID you're looking at. For example, you haven't done this one or this one, but you have done this one. So I recommend only coming to this list if you've already done the work. Now that you have, take credit for it by checking the boxes. For example, you've taken the photos, you've placed the QR code, you've traced out where the power source comes from, you've filled in any remaining engineering attributes, you've done your lockout tagout, and the last step, of course, is to put the date you wrapped it all up. The date's important. Otherwise, it's just going to appear that you did nothing all month and then suddenly you magically did it all the last day. Last step is there's a comments field. Feel free to put anything here that you want us to know about. To submit your update, just click on the bottom until you see Done. When you do that, you're going to update the Smartsheet, and that's how simple it is. And I bet you're thinking, hey, I've only got one PM done of this list of 10. Not to worry, this isn't a one-shot deal. If you've only updated one, no problem. Go back to the email in the future and make your other updates accordingly. Okay, so let's review the steps. You're going to review your monthly list of PMs in the email sent to you from Smartsheet at the beginning of the month. You're going to go and do the assigned PM. While you're there, you're going to place the QR code that you got from your chief in the beginning of the month and scan it in EasyMax under the asset barcode little icon in the asset search function. You're going to go to the classification section, and from there you're going to key in your engineering attributes. Remember, you don't need to key in the basic nameplate data. That's going to be something that we, the CSC, does for you based on the photo of your nameplate. Alright, now you're going to click on the attachments section and click on the attachment in there, which is actually a link to the box folder where your photos are going to go. Speaking of photos, you're going to take between 5, no more than 10, high quality, relevant photos. All you have to do is tap on the plus button on the top right hand side of the screen, which pops up your photo options. From here, you can choose to take a photo in real time, straight to box, by clicking Take Photo or Video. Or, if you're not within Wi-Fi coverage, you can choose from photos you've previously taken in your photo library on your mobile device. Let's take one right now to show you how it's done. We're going to tap on the plus button on the top right side of the screen, then Take Photo or Video, focus, hold steady, and tap the shutter, use photo, let it upload. Now on the 3 dots on the right side of that file, we're going to rename it and give it the asset ID name. So that we always know where this file belongs, we're going to give it an appropriate name, such as C1234 UCH EF-microphone. Okay, now we're at the home stretch. We're going to write a high quality lockout tagout, which will create a consistent, safe experience for future engineers when they reference this and print it out. And since you've already written it by hand to do the PM, use your paper one as a cheat sheet. Just use Microsoft Word and open up a blank PM lockout tagout form. Pro tip, make sure you open the Word doc, not the PDF version. It's easy to work in Word. Okay, so using Word on your desktop, you're going to fill out the lockout tagout form. If you're really mobile savvy, you can even use Word on a mobile app out in the field. Once you're done filling it out, you're going to export it to a PDF and save it in Box, the very same folder you used to put all your photos. Last but not least, you're going to open up that email you got in the beginning of the month with all of your list of PMs and update the smart electronic form. That way you can take credit for the work you've done. And that's it.